Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to show you a really cool product. It's a 3D flickering candle from Koopower. Obviously if you've got children, if you're tired of constantly changing candles, if they're running out, obviously it poses a fire risk as well if you have children running around the place. Grab yourself one of these, because honestly when I got it I thought it was going to be really cheap and tacky and not even look like a candle. Now I've already taken out the box. This is the box that it comes in. It comes in a box like this. Alright, comes with basic instructions, very simple to use. It does require 2 batteries. Actually it's 2 AA batteries. They're not included in this box as well. Lasts up to 400 hours as well. I'm going to show you how it works. So it looks like this, and if you smell it and you touch it, it is wax, genuinely a wax. So I've already got batteries in this, so you're going to want to make sure you can have, there's 2 settings on the bottom here, right? You've got a 4-hour timer or manual on, right? So 4-hour timer, and it turns off. I'll just set it to regular. Let me dim this light so you can see the effect, and I guess you will see it is pretty impressive. Looks exactly like a real candle. Like, I mean, if you walk past this, you'd be none the wiser, literally. I mean, look at that. I mean, it'd make a great gift for like Mother's Day, or even you just yourself, really. Obviously if you're a big fan of candles, I mean, have a couple of these around the house and it will set the mood. Like, I mean, if you want to relax, I mean, it literally looks realistic. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, I'm looking at that right now and it looks like a real flame. Obviously when you go really close to it, you can see that it's a 3D candle, but to the blind eye, I mean, it's the genuine McCoy, we're going to say. Check it out guys, go to Koopower and look at the product. Very affordable, came within a couple of days. Can't fault it guys, grab one today.